It looks like it's 1,000 a piece, or no? That's for write down your wishes. We're not the only people here today, so
yeah,
we got that. I think it's a very popular Insta spot. Probably a lot of Americans. They're gonna be very aggressive on their Insta pic setting. It reminds me of Greece when they were trying to get that one picture on Santorini. Sort of following the crowd. I don't know where to go. But a beautiful day. It's not gonna rain. We're starting?
Time to get great.
Okay. So I'm digging me some Kyoto. It's much nicer than Tokyo, and Tokyo is a little overwhelming. This is a little more manageable. Oh, they're already starting. Alright, so this is a photo nightmare. Everyone's trying to get their pic in. And I get it, but there's frustration because you can't get a good pic. Did I get any good one?
one's almost.
I got it almost. I'm gonna take a little break. There's a little, I don't know what that is. That could be pretty cool. Nobody's over here. I like that piece.
Yeah.
A lot of pics. A lot of pics happening. I wonder how you determine what height your pole is, because this pole and that pole are different.
I don't think it really matters.
You think it's just random?
Yeah. I mean, I think it's like a certain amount or a certain height, but I don't think it's necessarily standard.
So I don't know if you can tell that there is no writing, but when I turn around, it's all the writing. I'll turn around. It changes the experience quite a bit. So we're hoping we go up and then we walk back down. I don't know. I don't know why they would make us walk against the words. It's really freaking me out. Alright, ride some fun. Alright, we made it a little bit. We didn't make it all the way up.
No, we made it to the top. There's just a loop around the mountain.
We decided not to do the loop around the
You
mountain.
want to do the loop around the mountain?
No.
Let's do the loop around the mountain.
I don't want to do the loop around it. I've seen enough orange cones to last a lifetime. And we have all the cones to go. So I don't know if you could tell, we were at street level at one point. So we hiked up this mountain. These people are hiking up this mountain. There's a little restaurant or but these, that's the stairs, part of the stairs going down. But as I was saying, we were at street level, so now we're up here. We're going down. For some reason, the words are facing you as you go down. I don't know what the significance of that is, rather than facing you going up. Or, I'm not sure why they don't have them going on both sides. Huh. Alright, this is another stop.